Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On today's video I'll be showing you how to make this blue jojoba oil for the face. This is great because it helps with a lot of skin concerns like eczema, acne, and sun damage. So let's go ahead and get started. So to begin making this today, I will be adding some clear jojoba oil to my beaker. Jojoba oil is packed with vitamin E and B complex vitamins. This is great when it comes to repairing any damaged skin. So next I'll be adding some olive squalene. This is a great ingredient to use because it helps to moisturize and increase hydration in the skin. This next ingredient, which is called prickly pear oil, is fairly expensive. So if you're looking for substitutions, continue watching this video as I will show some later on. But the reason I chose to use this is because it has zinc in it, which helps to calm any inflammation or irritation on the skin. Meadow foam seed oil is going to be the next oil that I am using, and this is very similar to the sebum that is found on the skin naturally. To give this facial oil a nice color as well as a beautiful scent, I'm going to add some blue tansy essential oil. This is great for a lot of skin concerns like eczema and acne, and then I'm just gently giving it a nice stir. So now that my facial serum / oil is done, I am pouring it into my container, and I chose to use a dropper bottle just because it's very convenient and easy to use. And you're simply going to use just a couple drops of this to put on a nice, clean, dry face. So here is how you use this oil. I am simply using a couple drops, applying it to the top of my hand just to give you a quick peek, and then gently rubbing it in. This absorbs fairly quickly and leaves the skin feeling nice and soft. So here's the formula along with any substitutions that you can use to make this facial oil / serum. When it comes to substitutions, if you do not have olive squalene or just don't like it, you could substitute it for fractionated coconut oil. If you do not have prickly pear, as I mentioned, it's fairly expensive, you could use wheat germ oil instead. When it comes to the meadow foam oil, I found that jojoba oil works just as well and is something that is a little less pricey. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.